Welcome to YOUCANIC. Today here on YOUCANIC we have a 2019 Chevy Trax, and on this Chevy Trax we're going to go over how you would replace your downstream O2 sensor or oxygen sensor. So we follow the we have the kinetic converter up at the front of the engine. You follow it down under and come around here where this axle is, and this is the downstream O2 sensor. We have the electric cable connection that goes right down here. And so if you move right up through here, right in front of this axle, that is the electric connector. Now that can be a little bit of a tough to get undone, but we just need to be able to get up there and squeeze the back tab to be able to release the connector. It is a tight space. You also would have removed the splash shield to give you the access that you need. Right. This is what you're trying to squeeze this tab, and you may need to press the connector in a little bit as you squeeze it to get it to come undone. And like I said, it's in a tight position. It's pretty hard to get that tab to come undone. So now that we've got that undone, we can proceed to removing the actual oxygen sensor. Okay, so we were able to get the oxygen sensor loose. Now we can back the whole thing out and remove it. And so that's the removal of your oxygen sensor. You would get your new one and just be able to put it back in the reverse order. Okay, so we have that hand tightened up, and now put the wrench on and snug it up. Good and tight. We need to make this electric connector connect back up. So when you press this connector out, you have some space where you can move the electrical wire to give you easier access to squeeze that to come undone and or to plug it back in. We just press it until it clicks, and so it's locked on. And now if you push that out, you'll just need to make sure that you put it back in the groove and depress it down to lock it into place. So that's how you would replace your downstream O2 sensor, put your splash shield back on, and then be able to lower your vehicle. And thanks for watching YOUCANIC, where you can be the mechanic.